Sorry to remind you the tough times of COVID pandemic when we were all locked in. But do you remember Giloy? उस टाइम ये बहुत ज़्यादा पॉपुलर हुआ था अपनी इम्यूनिटी बूस्टिंग प्रॉपर्टीज के कारण. अब इसको टीनोस्पोरा कॉर्डिफोलिया कहूँ, गुडुची कहूँ या अमृता, because its abundant benefits translate it as the herb of immortality. It has been used in therapeutics for a long time in Ayush systems. While scientists have long been intrigued by Giloy's medicinal properties, the years following the COVID-19 pandemic saw a major spike in research as the experts explored natural immunity boosters and holistic healthcare solutions. Emerging studies reinforce its immune modulatory, antiviral, and adaptogenic properties, making it a subject of keen interest among global researchers and healthcare practitioners. Several studies also suggest that it might have a significant role in cancer therapy, autoimmune disease management, and even inflammatory disorders. A study published in PubMed by the Gujarat University in February 2025 investigated the role of Giloy extracts in HPV-positive cervical cancer treatment. The findings highlight Giloy's potential immunomodulatory benefits, paving the way for safer, more effective cancer therapies combined with conventional treatments. And another study published by Tata Memorial Centre, Mumbai in January 2025 explored Giloy's effectiveness in managing IgM, a benign yet challenging breast disorder often mistaken for cancer. The study reported that Giloy-based phytopharmaceutical drugs provided a safe steroid-free treatment alternative, offering a cost-effective and efficient option to avoid aggressive surgeries. Guduchi or Giloy is known for its immense therapeutic applications, and it's interesting to know that several studies have quoted its health benefits. However, इससे मिलती जुलती herbs avoid करनी चाहिए. Giloy has green stem without any small rounded projections or milky secretion and heart-shaped leaves with groovy notch at the base. The plant has 6 leaves and generally spherical or round-shaped red color fruits. Experts also believe that this Ayurvedic marvel is on its way to becoming a mainstream integrative healthcare solution. So, have you ever tried this magical herb? What has been your way to incorporate Giloy in your lifestyle? Tell us in the comments and stay tuned for more such stories of Bharat by MIB.